So this is the book that I picked in the month of January, and it is on meditation by sriM. बहुत पतली सी book है, and I finished yesterday. Before telling you what exactly this book is all about, I would like to tell you the reason why I picked up this book. I have been practicing yoga and mindfulness for quite a long time, and having been mastered the practical, I had an urge to study about the literature. So I had many questions in my mind as to what exactly is meditation and what meditation leads to at the end. And this book is exactly what I wanted, because ये जो book है has been laid out in a question answers format. I don't know ये author को कैसे पता चला, but मेरे exact questions या exact doubts are mentioned in this book. I don't feel that there is any question that is unanswered about meditation in this book. Before getting my hands on this book, I used to think कि meditation सिर्फ एक शांत जगह में हो सकता है, एक particular place में हो सकता है. Then I understood through this book कि आप किसी भी situation में हो, कहीं पर भी हो, you can practice meditation and mindfulness. And I got in contact with the fact that meditation is not about stagnation. Enlightenment is only enlightenment when it exists even in the busiest of your days. And then the author has also mentioned the food intake that you should take in order to enhance the effect of meditation. That's it. I would not like to disclose the juice of this book, and I would highly recommend this book to anyone who is interested in knowing the literature aspect of yoga, mindfulness, meditation and all of that. So that's it about this book, and अभी देखते हैं मैं next कौन सी book उठाती हूँ. Yeah, is there any book which you have read and you would like to recommend? यार आप लोग बड़े बदमाश हो, पता है, आप मुझे Facebook में बोल देते हो, Instagram में बोल देते हो about what you like and do not like, और any कुछ suggestions है, कुछ आप पर्सनल में बोल देते हो, यहाँ कुछ नहीं बोलते यार. मुझे बड़ा काम लगता है वो ना कि Instagram में चेक करो, फिर WhatsApp पे चेक करो, Facebook में चेक करो, यहीं बोल दो यार प्लीज. So I have a friend named Maullika. उसने एक अपना न्यू ब्लॉग खोला है, और she would be writing about everything from travel, beauty, creativity, art and all of that. I would be mentioning the link of her blog in the description box below. Please show her some love and thank you. Practicing mindfulness and yoga for So I've been practicing yoga and I've been practicing mindfulness and yoga for I've been